very far from the Arabian Sea, scene was set at the majestic Avari Towers, where karachiites converged to observe Festa della Repubblica with Dinelo Giurdanella, one of the longest-serving Italian Consul General posted at this Metropolis. Consul General welcomed members of the diplomatic corps, educationists, artists, journalists, entrepreneurs, politicians, civil and military bureaucrats. Speaking on the occasion, Consul General told Italy is the second biggest export market for Pakistan in EU and in terms of remittances. Italy plays an important role being the host of the largest Pakistani community in Europe after UK. Speaking about interfaith harmony, he said, "It's encouraging to see that Federal Minister recently visited Rome and had a meeting with the Pope." Talking to News Pakistan TV, Consul General Danilo Giurdanella stated,
"I'm very happy to be here at Italian National Day in Karachi with so many friends and authorities from Pakistan to celebrate the Italian National Day, but especially to celebrate the long-standing friendship between Italy and Pakistan and our many ties that link together our people and our governments. For me, Karachi is my second home, and it's normal after so many years and living so close to so many Pakistanis and having so many friends here. This is what it becomes. It becomes your second home, and I think also that many people should have the experience that I've had, and I've tried, to promote this image of Pakistan, because many people, they think they know about Pakistan, but they actually don't know. They don't have the correct perspective on Pakistan. So I think education is the most important thing. I think culture is the most important thing. And I think it puts, people in touch with each other, Italian and Pakistanis. I'm very proud that last year, only from Sindh, we reached the number of 700 students pursuing graduate and postgraduate studies in Italy. This is a very important target, so I would like to promote that more. That is the most important thing in the world, to avoid war, to avoid conflicts, and to increase prosperity and well-being. Education. The archaeological project in Bambor is a very, very important mission. It is a project that is shared between Italy and Pakistan, in particular between the University of Milan in Italy and the government of Sindh Ministry of Culture. So that is a very successful project that has been running for many years, and recently, last year, we made some very important and groundbreaking discoveries. And I visited myself the site so many times, and I invite everybody to please visit the archaeological site in Bambor, that also, according to the expert, may contain the oldest mosque in South Asia. In Italy, we have 3 universities that teach Urdu language and Pakistani culture. So Italy was the first country in Europe where Urdu was taught, especially at Oriental University of Naples. So I'm very proud of this tradition, and I want Pakistan to be more well known in Italian university as well. So the Italian chef we invited has never previously been to Pakistan, but he was absolutely surprised by what he found here in Karachi. He found Karachi to be a very hospitable city. He found Pakistani to be very hard-working people and very interested in learning his skills and techniques. So the chef is from Naples, which is a city that shares many similarities with Karachi.
Italian Consulate General in Karachi joined hands with Avari Towers to host Chef Vincenzo de Liso from Naples. Speaking to News Pakistan TV, Chef Vincenzo de Liso said,
"I left home when I was 17 years old, and then I started to travel to make experience in my job around the world. So I have spent over 23 years far away from my mother and from my father. It's a city town which is on the seaside. We have a lot of seafood plate specialty, but of course pizza it's come from Napoli. So this will be the first one who keep in mind to the people about when you talk about Napoli, you think about pizza. Masterclass is way to express what I'm able to do and try to teach people that can do the same recipes at home or maybe in another kitchen. The last years, basmati rice has become quite popular because now we have a lot influence about Asian cuisine. Well, until 10 years ago, we are very traditional, but now we are a little bit open to new kitchen, and then we also discovered this basmati rice and chicken with curry, all these exotic spices that come from Asia.